फाइनली मैं अपने परिवार के साथ ही मुझे आना पड़ा रायसेन की फोर्ट। और वैसे मैं एक सोलो ट्रिप पे आना चाह रहा था ताकि मैं शांति से एक्सप्लोर कर सकूं और चीज़ें समझ सकूं, बट सामने मेरी फैमिली चल रही है और बस यही है कि सबके साथ अब मुझे चलना पड़ेगा। आगे व्लॉग में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसे मैंने किला देखा और क्या क्या देखा। काफ़ी सारे ड्रैगन फ्लाइज हैं।
The government parking. This is free parking, and it is written here Bagh Vicharan Kshetra. Means the leopard can be encountered here in this area. It's a forest area, valley type area. These are the steps which you will have to climb to go in the fort. This is the view of the Western District area during the front view from where we climbed up. The population area, population water body. And the hilly again that side, greenery, the agriculture, farmhouse, land. The fort is built up in this area, in the mountain, in the hilly terrain. Very nicely located 11th century fort where the infrastructure making of this nature was such a difficult. There were no cranes. The only conventional method of lifting the stones was used to make this, and it's a marvelous piece of architecture built in that century by the various empires, the Mughal Empire, the Afghanistan, the Nawab of Bhopal, all those areas are like this. So we are heading for the fort area, climbing the stairs. Architecture by which this fort has been made.
ये मेन एंट्रेंस है यहाँ का, वन ऑफ द मेन एंट्रेंसेस। पूरा किले नुमा है।
It's a good place. Going up and down. This is the sunset view from the fort area. You can see the mountain ridge line which is getting diminished as the sun is setting down. And this is the area of the fort entrance point after the sunset. The temple area of the fort. This is the mandir which is closed, and what is there? There is a shivling inside this. The door is locked. Today is 10th August. We are going towards Raisen Fort. We are presently halted at Dargah Sharif Raisen. This is a very famous dargah where people halt, and it is said that if you don't halt in this area and visit the dargah, then you will meet with an accident ahead. So this is saying here. So all the vehicles, those who are going towards Raisen Fort, they stop here and pay their respects in this dargah. So you can see a lot of tea stalls are here and people are waiting. This is Achal, Puchu and Amay and Meena and Tinno. They are all waiting here to have a cup of tea, and after the tea we will visit Dargah area and then proceed towards the fort area. Is Dargah Pir Fatehul Idra-e Muhammadiyah. This Dargah is the famous Dargah where people visit and pay their respects. So you can see the crowd. People have assembled, and there is a small market there in front, and this is what Dargah. So we have all assembled here to visit this and having a halt here, and people want to visit inside. You will have to remove your shoes, wash your hands in this. There is a water point here, and people come here. There is some festival which is going on where people have assembled. That's all.